Hey girlfriend. Hey girl, oh you know they be tripping at this third ward as school. I know girl I wish I was in the Galleria, girl you know you ain't going to leave third ward. I know and you staying too. I love third ward and tell me something good bitch. Bitch women should not have kids after 35. What the fuck? Really, 35 kids are enough. I have 5 kids. I have changed as a mother from the first child to the last. I mellowed a lot over the years. For real. Bitch when my oldest son coughed or sneezed, I immediately called the ambulance. When my youngest duother swallowed a quarter, I just told her it was coming out of her allowance. When you have 3 young boys, it's hard to know whom to blame if something goes wrong in the house. So I send all 3 to bed without letting them watch television. Bitch stop playing. In the morning, I go after the one with the black eye. Hell no. My parents only had 2 of us and they said they couldn't afford both of us, so they put us in a trash bag full of cats, and whoever made it, that's who they were going to keep. Only in third ward. For real. On my first day of school my parents dropped me off at the wrong nursery. Here I was surrounded by trees and bushes. Ooh bitch, I'm lucky to be here. I could have been left in a popcorn bag at the movies or on a blanket at a picnic bitch, but I made it, and if I made it anybody can. I am a nobody. Nobody is perfect, therefore, I am perfect. This is another Broussard Brothers production. I like the Broussard Brothers from 3rd Ward, Texas. Made to bitch.